Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Cash App. How does it actually works? But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So at its core, Cash App here is an all-in-one financial app designed to handle your daily transactions without the rigid hassle of traditional bank. Now, the absolute bread and butter of the platform is peer-to-peer transfer. Now, once you sign up and link a bank account here, you get a unique username called a cash tag. Now, if you need to split a dinner bill or pay a roommate for rent, you just type in their username and hit the send button, and the money moves instantly and for free. Now, how does spending and saving actually works here? Well, beyond splitting tabs with friends, Cash App functions much like a lightweight checking account. Now, you can order a free, customized Visa debit card called a Cash App card to spend your app balance anywhere. So, massive perk of using this card, in this case, is the offers feature, now which applies instant discounts at checkout. Now, when you shop at partnered coffee shops and restaurants, if you want to use it for your main bank, or you can set it up direct deposit to get your paychecks up to 2 days early, or drop money into a, let's just say, separate savings balance to earn interest. Now, in this case, what are the extras here? What about investing and borrowing here? Well, lately, the platform has evolved into a broader financial sandbox here. So, right inside the app, you can buy fractional stocks and or trade Bitcoin with as little as like a single dollar. Now, they have also integrated Afterpay to let you split your rental purchases into weekly installment plans, and they even offer like physical NFC enabled wearable accessories called Cash App tags and let you tap or to pay on the go without pulling out your phone. Now, the app is completely free for standalone use, so the only times you'll ever encounter a fee are if you choose to link a credit card to send funds, or if you opt for an instant transfer to move your app balance back to your traditional bank account immediately instead of waiting a few days for the standard free transfer. Now, otherwise, it just seamlessly bundles your spending, saving, and investing into one simple mobile dashboard. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.